This is Mick with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County. I'm at 149 Canton Street in West Haven. This is unit 29. It is a 2-bedroom condo. All right, we'll begin here in the kitchen. Lots of storage space, dishwasher, nice large sink, large stainless steel fridge. A little bit big for this space, but who doesn't like having a big fridge? Right. Microwave, all stainless steel. Electric oven, the range. Right, there's your kitchen. All new flooring. Right. Same flooring continues into this entrance area, which then leads into the living room. Great perk here. In-unit laundry machines, a nice large living space. This flooring is not brand new, but it's still in great shape. Maybe about 6 months old. Again, paint throughout the unit, brand new. Walls, ceilings. Again, nice, large variable space here. Probably room for a dining room table if you want it. And we can head up to the second floor. Let's back up. Nice hidden storage closet here. New flooring on the stairs. All right, new paint throughout. All right, 2 bedrooms up here. There is electric heat. You see the baseboard there. The wall unit for when it gets warm. All right. What I like most about these bedrooms, these big windows. A lot of natural light. And a good sized closet. Very nice. Let's go across to bedroom 2. Same nice large windows. Nice large closet. As a Nexus tenant, you'll enjoy 24/7 emergency management services. You can also communicate with our team on the online portal. You can also pay your rent conveniently online if you wish. Brings us to the bathroom. New medicine cabinet, mirror. Some storage space here, towel rack, smooth sliding, and your shower. Again, this is 149 Canton Street in West Haven. This is unit 29. For Nexus, New Haven County.